In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a picture to its original state in PowerPoint. Whether you've made a few errant edits or just want to bring a photo back to its starting point, this guide will walk you through the entire process. It's quick, easy, and will help you maintain the freshness of your presentation slides. First things first, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If it's not already a mainstay in your taskbar, you can find it by searching through your applications or in your Start menu. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, you need to open the presentation where the picture you want to reset is located. This could be an existing file that you're renovating or even a new project that you're building from the ground up. Now, it's time to locate the picture that you want to reset. Click on the image, and by doing so, you'll notice a tab called Picture Format appearing on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface. This tab holds the key to adjusting and formatting the images on your slides. Once the Picture Format tab is highlighted, direct your attention to a section within it labeled the Adjust group. Here's where you'll find the options necessary to revert your image to its initial state. At this stage, you have a couple of options to choose from based on how much of the editing you want to reverse. If you only need to remove formatting, the tweaks to brightness, contrast, and color adjustments, but wish to keep the original size and any cropping unchanged, then you'll want to click on the Reset Picture option in the Adjust group. This action peels away those particular edits, leaving the image at its core reflection. However, if you wish to take it a step further and undo absolutely everything that has altered the original picture, including resizes, rotations, and any cropping, you'll need to utilize the more comprehensive option. To do this, find and click the small arrow next to the Reset Picture option. This will open a mini menu where you'll select Reset Picture and Size. This is the total undo option, returning the picture to the exact specifications and appearance of when it was first imported into the presentation. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can return any image in your PowerPoint presentation to its original state. This ability not only saves time, but also offers the flexibility to experiment with different styles, knowing you can always start fresh if needed. This skill is invaluable for maintaining a polished and professional look throughout your slides. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.